Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today's Tuesday, October 22nd, and as always, we are open until 7 p.m. on Tuesdays. So if you're part of that working world and you can't get over here between 10 and 5 on the other days, you can definitely come see us on Tuesday evenings. It's also a really nice time to get a little bit of extra help or extra advice on your projects because it's generally a little bit quieter around here. So you can come this evening or any other time that you'd like. Today, first up, we're going to start on this end, mix it up a little bit. We have, I mentioned yesterday, our Halloween fabrics and kits are on sale. So this is one of our kits. This is the Batty Mantle with quilt kit. And I think this would also be great as a table runner. But the nice thing is that the bats are already pre-cut for you and they have fusible on the back. So it's going to be a quick project, but I love how the bats create that scalloped border edge. And so that's why I bought it for the shop. These are 30% off right now. And then this is the Little Witch Party panel, and it makes all of these fun things. So the panel is really big. I think it's like 60 inches, 36 by 69 inches, and it makes all of these little things. So you are ready for your Halloween parties. So you've got a little bat banner, you have spider web placemats, witch's broom cutlery pouch, you have your pumpkin table center, you have your cat treat bags, you have cauldron coasters, you have mug cozies, a witch's hat centerpiece, and party masks. So you can pop out those eyes if you want people to actually be able to see through them. And so these kits are now 50% off. So they're definitely a great bargain and would be so, so cute for kids' Halloween parties. In fabric today, we have some more pre-cuts. This is called Melrose. Melrose features modern and sophisticated prints, including stylized botanicals and striking geometrics in a soft and serene palette of aqua, blush, warm gray, and ecru, giving this collection a crisp and airy feel. A touch of deep charcoal blue adds a pop of drama. And this is by Studio M for Moda. We will only have the pre-cuts of this one because it's one of those things that we ordered as a part of the You Be the Buyer project back in March. And then this is Field of Flowers. And we are expecting bolts of this later this month. The inspiration for this collection was a big bouquet of garden flowers collected in early fall when everything is at its peak. Catherine Watson used dahlias, zinnias, fennel, feverfew, and a few more collected from her own garden as the source material for the original lino cut prints. These patterns were based on the original lino cuts and capture the abundance of a garden at the end of a growing season. And this is also by Moda. And like I said, we are expecting bolts from this collection to come later this month. So very exciting things to share with you today. I hope that you will take some time for yourself to sew this afternoon, and we will see you back here from the shop tomorrow. Bye.